Hey everyone, this is the unboxing of the 2024 Motorola Motor Razr. This is the non-plus version. Opening it on up, we are greeted with a box with the contents of USB-C, USB-C, papers, and that is just saying that this is plastic free and whatnot. And you get to the actual phone. So there is no wall adapter with it. Then we get to our phone though. So getting to the phone itself, it does have the built on or already on screen protector, so make sure you do not remove that. So the screen itself is pretty, well, not durable on these types of phones. So looking over here, we have mic, volume rocker, power button, speaker, USB Type-C, mics, and then we have the SIM card slot there, and mics up top. And then two cameras along with the outer screen. All in all, nice looking phone. The back has that like vegan leatheriness to it, I do believe that is. Either way, it feels really nice. Whatever that is made of, it feels nice and soft. Pretty cool. It does say Razr and have the Motorola symbol there. And then looking at these SIM slot here. That is what it is a SIM card slot. And that is all that it is a SIM card slot. No micro SD slot. Then in the box you get USB Type-C, paperwork, and there should be a SIM card ejector tool in there. So stay tuned to my channel. I'll be doing a bunch of comparisons with this phone versus everything else that I have. Very nice looking foldable phone. Nice and slim when you open it on up. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.